Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things cloud computing. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that many of you have been asking me. How much does an AWS Cloud Practitioner make in 2023? AWS Cloud Practitioner is one of the most popular and fundamental certifications for cloud computing. It validates your knowledge of the AWS Cloud Platform, its core services, security, pricing, and support. It also demonstrates your understanding of cloud computing concepts and the cloud market in general. But what does an AWS Cloud Practitioner do exactly? And how much can you earn with this certification? An AWS Cloud Practitioner is responsible for the organization's cloud computing architecture. They design, build, deploy, and monitor applications on the cloud using AWS platforms. They also resolve scalability challenges and handle high-risk issues. They know how to use AWS's best practices and design principles to create well-architected AWS systems. According to ZipRecruiter, the average annual pay for an AWS Cloud Practitioner in the United States is $135,956 as of June 2023. That works out to be approximately $65.36 an hour, or $11,329 a month. Of course, this salary can vary depending on your location, experience, skills, and employer. If you're just starting out as an AWS Cloud Practitioner, you can expect to earn around $85,866 a year to the power of 4, or $41.28 an hour. But with more experience and skills, you can earn up to $116,000 per annum to the power of 5, or even more. So how can you become an AWS Cloud Practitioner and land a lucrative job in this fast-growing industry? Well, you need to pass the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, which is a 90-minute multiple-choice test that covers 4 domains: cloud concepts, security and compliance, technology, and billing and pricing. To prepare for this exam, you need to have at least 6 months of experience with the AWS Cloud in any role, such as technical, managerial, sales, purchasing, or financial. You also need to have a basic understanding of IT services and their uses in the AWS Cloud Platform. But don't worry, you don't have to do it alone. There are many resources available online to help you study for this exam, such as courses, books, practice tests, blogs, and videos. One of the best practice exam I recommend is the AWS Test Set Bundle, which covers all the topics you need to know for the exam in a comprehensive and engaging way. This AWS Test Set Bundle will teach you how to design highly available and scalable systems on AWS, how to use various AWS services such as EC2, S3, VPC, Lambda, IAM, CloudFormation, and more for secure your certificate exam. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.